I've been really enjoying life. Hi everyone. I am sick. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I have a very strong nasal voice. Is that how you say it in English? In Chinese we say 鼻音, 重鼻音 when you're sick. I woke up at 7 today. I just uploaded my video. I ate breakfast. I've been editing the whole morning and I journaled for a little bit. I've also done my to-do list for the day. It's currently 12. I have 3 hours to unpack and declutter, clean my apartment because I just came back from Paris yesterday. And then I need to go to Pilates at 4:45. So I'm gonna leave at 4, ship my vintage packages. And then after Pilates, I'm going over to my cousin's place and we're celebrating my sister's birthday. So that sounds really fun. I think I'm pretty excited for the day. I feel really good today. Like I woke up in a really happy mood and I'm a little bit anxious but manageable, and I'm just very sick, so I feel like laying in bed. I am drinking a lot of ginger and lemon tea. This is my 4th cup of the day. I can't wait to be able to breathe again. Also, there's been... you guys don't care. I got the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is my first Max iPhone. I've always had the Pro, like the regular size, but I thought that for video editing, because I want to do more shorts and more reels, it would be more comfortable to edit on a bigger screen. Wildflower also sent me a screen protector. I got these 2 new phone cases. I got another one of these. I have this for my previous phone. Oh my god, it feels so weird to have such a big phone now. Actually, it doesn't. I don't know. Love it. I'm now heading to Pilates, but as you can hear from my voice, I think I've gotten worse with my cold. So I'm gonna take this that my friend gave me whilst I was in Paris. My friend said that she just took it without dissolving in the water because I do hate drinking medicine. I prefer taking pills, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, here we go. Anyways, let's go to Pilates before I'm late. Happy birthday! Yeah. 3, 2, 1, feliz! Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz. I'm getting lunch with some friends today. We're going to Ergon Deli. I've been wanting to brunch there for a while, so I'm really excited. Let's choose an outfit. My playlist is amazing. I have noise cancelling on my headphones, so I can't hear myself. And I'm not looking at anyone, so now I'm vlogging in public very confidently. Whoa! Huge ducks. I took magnesium glycinate by accident this morning. I was meant to take vitamin C because I'm sick. I might start doing it more often because you're supposed to take it at night because it's a muscle relaxant. But I feel so like relaxed and happy. Shopping. As for that hoodie over there. Good morning. I'm vlogging on my phone as well for my Chinese channels. It's currently 9 AM. I've been waking up pretty early because Peanut wakes me up at 7:30 sharp. She starts scratching the doors, getting into my shopping bags, and she's been the best alarm for me in the morning. I have Pilates today at 10:15, and then I'm gonna do some editing. The weather's quite good, but I need to do editing, so I can't be out and about today. I do have a facial planned for today. This is the cleanser that I've been using. It foams up really easily and it has like small granules inside. I find that it's not too harsh. It does leave a squeaky feeling on the skin after you've washed it off, which I don't love. I still do prefer my Dior Beauty cleanser. As I mentioned earlier, I'm getting a facial today, but I've been told to not use any of these acids that I usually use. I've just been skipping those exfoliants and only using the Shani Darden moisturizing serum. Then I use the La Prairie Skin Caviar Eye Lift. Love, love, love this product as well. And then last but not least, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is like my 6th, 7th bottle. Last but not least, I use the Dior Halo Shot and I apply it on my neck because I have really visible neck wrinkles. I've turned on the heater in my flat, which, I mean, we're only in the beginning of October, it's a little bit too early, but it's been really cold. And now I think I need to poop, so see you later. I got a lot of questions on where my Pilates outfits are from. These are all both from Lululemon. These are the bootcut leggings. And then the jacket is also Lululemon. Guys, it's such a good day out. So happy. Oh, my instructor today, my favorite one. Always such good vibes. Alright, let's get super girls. Prettiest ladies I've ever seen in my life. But I can't get them because my cats are allergic. Maybe I should get sunflowers. I'm back home. I got some sunflowers. I was debating whether I should get them or not because I'm like, it's money. But then again, I feel like it always makes me happier and it also makes my flat look much more cozier. The biggest issue that I have here is that it doesn't get enough sunlight. But I feel like whenever I add flowers to the flat, everything just brightens up and I just feel much better. So, sunflowers! I have this vase that I got for my birthday a couple of years ago. Maybe a bit shorter? I'm gonna cut it up and freeze it. Wait, I want a piece. I'm actually not sure if this freezes well. This with peanut butter would have been great. I'm running. Bro, I'm a mess. I'm a mess right now. I have an appointment. I have a facial planned for today at 4. It's okay. I am definitely gonna be late. I look hideous with this headband, but I'm getting a hydrafacial and then a deep cleanse for my skin. I got a tunicado. We had a new teacher for Pilates today. It was very full body focused, which I really liked. I am currently getting ready. I'm going to Harrods for a Chanel Beauty pop-up. And then I'm going to see Monet today, which I'm really excited for. When I saw that Monet was exhibiting in London, I immediately booked some tickets because I knew they were going to be very popular. And I'm going to go with my friend Iris. It's her last day here, so we're also going to get hot pot tonight. We were told that it was going to rain today, but it's really sunny. So I'm really happy about that as well. I'm also filming stuff on my phone because I want to make more short form content. And if you guys didn't know, I also do like content in Chinese for my Chinese social media platforms. And I'm not gonna lie, it's been overwhelming me a little bit, but I just need to sit down one day and edit all the footages that I've been filming the past few days because I haven't had the time to do that. I've been really liking this powder from Canmake. I love the finish. It's very airbrushed. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but like it's very velvety. And yeah, I only slept 6 hours because I stayed up pretty late watching Monsters. the Menendez brothers story on Netflix. It's one of those shows where you just want to finish the whole thing all in one setting. I still have a couple of episodes to go. I also went out for dinner with my friend Kelly last night. We went to Carlotta in Mayfair. It's part of the Big Mama group. Like they have Circolo Popolare. Also like the very famous Italian restaurant here in London. I'm not gonna lie though, not the best food and not the best service. I don't think it's authentic Italian food at all. I'm gonna use this blush from Chanel. It also has an highlight side. Peanut is being so clingy. Ever since I got the lash lift, the mascara smudges on my eyelid very heavily, but I don't mind it. Like as long as I have lashes, that's all that matters. A lipstick, I'm gonna use the Chanel lipstick in shade 90. Today's outfit, I'm wearing this black top that has this mesh back, which I think it's kind of sexy. I'm wearing these really slouchy white pants. And for shoes, I'm wearing my new little Chanel ballet flats, which I am so obsessed. I'm gonna layer this on top just in case I get cold, because I have a feeling I will. Cool, let's go. I'm a little bit on edge right now. This happened, it's whatever, but no, I can't wear this outfit anymore. I have to save it for another time. I really wanted to wear this to see Monet. It's gonna be fine. It's just, it didn't really happen the way that I wanted to this morning, and it's a little bit frustrating, but it's fine. Let's go and repair these. Update. My Chanel flats cannot be repaired at the shoe place that I went to. The guy was really nice. He was honest with me and told me that if he tried to fix them, it would ruin the shoes. So he suggested that I go to Chanel and ask if they can repair it for me, which I'm a little bit nervous about. It's just that these are vintage Chanels, and so I'm just scared that they won't take them just because they're vintage. Very good news, Chanel took the shoes. I'm so happy. And now I'm gonna go see Monet. It's been an emotional whirlwind this morning, but it's fine. It's annoying though because it's gonna take around 2 months for them to get repaired, so I won't be able to wear my Chanel flats. We're getting hot. So excited. Hi, I'm back home. I showered, did my skincare, and now I'm about to watch Monsters on Netflix. Last night I was so tired, but I still wanted to watch it. I think I've already talked about it. I've been struggling a little bit, not really, but I feel like I've been having too much fun. But then at the same time, I don't know what's fun and what's work anymore, cause I don't know, I feel like I should, for example, editing right now instead of watching this show, but I really don't have energy to edit right now. I can't really explain it to you guys. Aside from this time management aspect of my life, I've been really happy and I've been really enjoying life. I feel like last time this year I wouldn't look forward to anything and I lost interest in everything around me. I wouldn't even want to dress up or put on makeup or even just watch stuff on TV. Nothing excited me. But now I enjoy being awake, which is also very rare for me, because for the longest time all I wanted to do is I wished I could be asleep forever, if that makes any sense. But now at night I don't even want to sleep. I want to be awake and it's weird. because I haven't felt like that in a while. I can feel that I've gained back control on my life, and it feels great. At some point I lost faith in myself. I never thought that I would be able to feel like this again, and I do now, and it's great. Hi Hazel, you cutie pie. All right.